Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises a revolution in your kitchen, the GreenPan Hybrid 13-piece non-stick stainless steel cookware set, specifically the APEX model. GreenPan has built a reputation for health-conscious, PFAS-free non-stick cookware, and this set aims to take that a step further by blending it with the robust performance of stainless steel. So, does this hybrid approach live up to the hype, or is it a case of trying to be too many things at once? Let's find out. At the heart of this GreenPan set is what they call Hybrid Thermobond Technology. This isn't just a simple coating. It's a fusion of a diamond-infused, PFAS-free ceramic non-stick surface with an etched stainless steel pattern. The idea behind this is to give you the best of both worlds. You get the effortless release and healthy cooking of ceramic non-stick, but with the enhanced durability and searing capabilities often associated with stainless steel. GreenPan claims this makes the surface 10 times more metal utensil safe than their previous coatings, which is a significant claim for a non-stick pan. Let's break down some of the key features. The APEX pattern, which is that raised stainless steel etching on the surface, is designed to do more than just look good. GreenPan says it directs heat for incredible searing power and efficient cooking. This is an interesting concept, as typically searing is done on entirely stainless steel surfaces where you get direct contact with the heat. Here, the idea is that the stainless steel elements within the non-stick provide those hot spots for a better sear, while the ceramic between them prevents sticking. Then there's the Infinite 8 ceramic non-stick. This is GreenPan's proprietary PFAS-free ceramic non-stick. They emphasize that it lasts longer, performs better, and contributes to healthier meals. For anyone concerned about traditional non-stick chemicals like PFOA, PFAS, and lead, this is a major selling point. The longevity and performance claims are what we'll be putting to the test. The built-to-last aspect is directly tied to that 10 times more metal utensil safe claim. Combined with the wrapped edges, which are designed to prevent chipping and create perfect pouring rims, this set is engineered for daily use. Being dishwasher safe is also a huge convenience factor for most home cooks, and GreenPan assures us this set can handle it. Structurally, the pans are constructed with a triply stainless steel build. This means 2 layers of stainless steel sandwiching a core of aluminum. This construction is a tried-and-true method for excellent heat transfer, ensuring your pans heat up quickly and evenly. This is crucial for achieving good searing and consistent cooking results across the entire surface of the pan, not just in the center. Now, what do you actually get in this 13-piece set? It's quite comprehensive. You'll find an 8-inch frying pan and a 9.5-inch frying pan, perfect for everything from eggs to sautéing. There's a 1-quart saucepan with a lid, a 2-quart saucepan with a lid, and a 3-quart sauté pan with a lid, ideal for sauces, grains, and smaller batch cooking. The set is rounded out with a substantial 5-quart stockpot with a lid, for soups, stews, and boiling pasta. On top of all that, it includes a silicone solid spoon, a silicone slotted spoon, and a silicone spatula. That's a lot of value packed into one set. Versatility is another strong suit here. These pans are oven and broiler safe up to a remarkable 850 degrees Fahrenheit. That's significantly higher than many non-stick pans on the market, opening up possibilities for finishing dishes under the broiler or transferring them to a very hot oven. The lids, however, have a lower oven-safe temperature of 425 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important to note that distinction. This set is also optimized for all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. So, regardless of your current kitchen setup, these pans should work for you. Cleaning, as mentioned, is straightforward. A quick wipe down is often all that's needed, but for those tougher messes, they are completely dishwasher safe. The smart details include ergonomically designed stainless steel handles, meant for comfort and stability, and easy-view lids made of tempered glass, allowing you to keep an eye on your food without losing heat or moisture. Let's talk about the pros. The hybrid design is genuinely innovative, offering a blend of non-stick ease and searing capability. The PFAS-free aspect is a huge win for health-conscious consumers. The tri-ply construction promises excellent heat distribution, and the high oven-safe temperature for the pans themselves is a standout feature. The 13-piece set is very generous, offering a wide range of sizes for various cooking tasks, and the inclusion of silicone utensils is a nice touch. The metal utensil safe claim, if it holds up to rigorous testing, is a game-changer for non-stick cookware. However, there are potential cons to consider. While the hybrid technology aims to deliver excellent searing, it might not quite replicate the crust you'd get from a solid stainless steel pan. The etched pattern is a compromise, and how well it performs for true high-heat searing remains to be seen. Also, while the non-stick is PFAS-free and intended to last, ceramic non-stick can sometimes degrade faster than traditional PTFE-based non-stick if not cared for properly, even with the improved durability claims. The 850-degree oven rating is for the pans, but the lids are limited to 425 degrees, which might be a minor inconvenience for certain recipes. Lastly, the sheer number of pieces might be overwhelming for some, and if you only need a few key pieces, it might not be the most cost-effective purchase. In conclusion, the GreenPan APEX Hybrid Cookware Set is an ambitious and compelling offering. It tackles the desire for healthy, easy-to-use non-stick while incorporating the robust performance expected from professional-grade cookware. The combination of diamond-infused ceramic non-stick and stainless steel, coupled with a solid tri-ply construction, makes it a versatile and durable option for a wide range of cooking techniques. If you're looking to upgrade your entire cookware collection with a focus on health, performance, and longevity, this set is definitely worth a serious look. Link in the description.